All right, now we're going to texture our door. So once again, I'm going to start out in Photoshop. This is a file I grabbed from the internet, and I went in and I cropped it neatly the way I'd like it to appear on my geometry. Once again, I'm saving that as a JPEG, File, Save As. And once again, I've gone into my source image folder for my project, and I've saved it with no punctuation or an underscore where punctuation is needed. And now we're ready to go into Maya and apply it to our polygon surface door. So I'm going to select the geometry, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Assign New Material. Once again, I'd like it to have a reflective surface, so I'm going to choose Blend, and I'm going to click on the tab to access the texture editor. I'll name it. And now I'm going to apply that texture. So I'll go to the end of the Color tab on that little slider track, look for the checkerboard pattern, click on it, and from the Create Render node, I'll click on File, and then I'm going to go over and click on the yellow folder and go out to my source image folder, click on Door, and hit Open. Now, because I'd gone in and textured this previously, it snapped on pretty nicely. That may not happen the first time around. So once again, just to reiterate the actual full process, I'm going to hold down the space bar. I'm going to choose UV, and once again, I will go to Planar Mapping, go to the menu, and if I hit W on the keyboard, you'll see that the z-axis is perpendicular to the surface that I want my texture map to be plotted on. So I would go over to the Planar Mapping options, choose z-axis, hit Apply. Now there's that virtual tool once again, which allows me to edit it on the fly if I choose. If I click on the red T, it also gives me an opportunity to introduce rotation if necessary. Again, it's a flat surface. This is pretty much what I want. I'm going to right-click, Object Mode, Save.